Hey everybody, I'm Mike, also known as the Backroad Adventurer. This is a little bit of an update to my previous video. Yes, I'm still out in the same location, filming them back to back. The last video was a little more focused on the truck cap, how I set it up as a camper, the drawers, the drawer system, all that. So if you want to go check that out, right here, a little link somewhere around here, maybe down right about here. Yeah, probably there. So go check that out and then come back and see this video. The one thing I did pick up to make this a little bit more comfortable, because the first time I went out, I got rained out. It's no fun sitting, I mean, depending on your definition of fun, it's really, for me, it's no fun to be trapped inside the truck canopy when it's raining all day. I don't have an awning on this truck. My plan in the coming future, probably in the spring, to drill some holes, put a roof rack on top, and get a proper 270-degree awning with some awning walls, stuff like that. Make it a very nice, livable kind of situation if you get rained out. So for now, I had heard a lot about these. I kind of thought they were a little bit goofy at first when I saw a lot of people use them. But for this kind of camping, I think it's actually going to work out really well. And for that, I'm talking about these Hasika awnings. I think that's how you say it. Hasika, something along that line. Either way, fairly cheap, 120, 140 bucks on Amazon. And that's all it is, right? It's just a rain fly and some poles. So I'm going to experiment with it. I'm going to set it up here for the first time and try it out. All right, let's try to set this up for the first time. No instructions needed. It's supposed to be super simple. All right, so I did buy some suction clamp things to hold it onto the back window, since I won't have anything to tie it up there for. You got your main awning, pegs and ropes, main port poles by the looks of it, and your poles for the actual awning. So to start, we're going to spread out. I don't know what that is. Oh, it had suction cups. Did not know that. Comes with suction cups. Good to know. Hey, the wind helped me spread it out nicely until it didn't. Like there's 2 sets of poles, 3 sets of poles. Alright, so these poles are going to be your cross poles that, give the awning its structure and rigidity and direction for the rain to fall not on you. Alright, so first they want you to put the poles in the pockets in the corner. Go around and do that. That seems pretty damn simple. I like it. Okay. And then you're going to clip all this. There you go. Get all clipped in. Starts to look like a tent. All right. Then this third smaller pole that we got. And they want that one. Huh. And that third pole, they want you to just stuff it in these pockets that are on the inside of the awning. Come around to do the other one here. I don't think you'd want to do this on a windy day. And just flip it in there. And just tie it off like you're tying your shoe. I guess that'll help it keep its shape anyway. All right. Once you do that, it's pretty much all set up and really starting to look like some kind of a tent. So just to make it easier, I'm going to do that to close the rear of the canopy. Oh boy. This could be interesting in the wind. I guess the nice thing is you can kind of position it how long or how short you need it. I mean, in a pinch, even that gives you some nice shelter to cook off of. So right now, I'm just going to use the suction cups that came with it. They suction just nicely to the glass. One on that side. I'll take this other one and do it in somewhat of the same. Take the plastic protector off. Again, first time using this here. It's an adventure. You know, this might actually be just in time. I got some rain moving in behind me. So after you get all that set up and where you want it secured to your truck, get the black bag out. That's going to contain, oh, still in the plastic. Thought I got rid of all the plastic at home. Put that in my pocket so it doesn't blow away. Unfortunately, I would much rather these be like, what do you call them? Telescoping poles. Yeah, those old things. Doesn't really look like they are. They're just two simple 4-piece poles that are easy to assemble. Nothing fancy. Put them in the grommets, and Bob's your uncle. Yeah, from there it's pretty flimsy as it sits right now. Should have had those guy ropes ready to go. Shit. But luckily there is a bag here with the guy ropes and oh yes, everybody's favorite tent pegs. I know it's cost effective, but can we stop doing this?
Much later, much later, the following Thursday.
Yeah, just a little while later, you know, since this is an old farmhouse kind of area where I'm at right now to film this, even though it's grassy all over, it's basically just all crushed rock underneath me. Even with these super awesome pegs, couldn't get them in the ground. You almost think they're useless. Yeah, normally I just use leg bolts and put it in with an impact gun. That'll go through anything, rock, frozen ice, whatever. Goes right through, no problem setting up this kind of stuff. But I mean, take you around now and show you a little bit. I mean, this provides some pretty decent coverage. Yeah, some very decent coverage. Nice and tall. There's a screen opening up here. You know, it goes back. You know, you could even, if it's raining, you can even pretty much open up the side of your windows to get some airflow in. Maybe tie this out a little bit better. And yeah, definitely provides a nice little livable area anyway, which is what I wanted. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this or this kind of sold you the idea of one of these types of awnings, that's great. As the wind picks up, definitely going to want to tie it down a lot more. It's pretty flimsy, but for what it is, I think it works out very, very well. There are kind of attachments to tie out the sides as well, which would be very helpful actually right now if I was staying here, but I'm going to pack up as soon as I'm done. I can't camp here anyway. It's just a spot to come and enjoy the day. So thanks everybody for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more adventures, more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is free, and it helps the channel grow and helps the information get out to those that need the information. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you in the next one.